So, hello, dear students. We are back with the more current affairs. So now, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MIT) and AWS to establish Quantum Computing Applications Lab. MIT in collaboration with Amazon Web AWS के Amazon Web Services जो हैं वो एक लैब बनाएंगे to accelerate the quantum computing led research and development and enable new scientific discoveries. Now lab will provide quantum computing as a service to government ministries and departments को research करेगी manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture में identify the problems and opportunities and test real world challenges in a low risk environment. Quantum computing क्या होता है? It is focused on developing computer based on the quantum theory principles which explain the nature and behavior of energy and matter on the quantum, that is the atomic and subatomic level. Rather than storing information in the bits, that is zeros or ones, as conventional computers do, quantum computers use the quantum bits, जिनको qubits कहते हैं, to encode information as zeros, ones or both at the same time. They function according to two key principles of quantum physics. One is superposition and the other is entanglement. Superposition का क्या मतलब होता है? That each qubit is there can represent both 1 and 0 at the same time. And entanglement means that the qubits in a superposition can be correlated with each other. That is, state of one, whether 1 or 0 can depend on the state of another. Superposition मतलब qubit can represent both 1 and 0 at the same time. Entanglement means that the qubits in a superposition is there can be correlated with each other. That is, state of one, whether it is a 1 or a 0 can depend on the state of, आपस में एक दूसरे पे वो dependent होंगे. India is yet to have a quantum computer. Budget 2020-21 proposed 8,000 crore for the National Mission on Quantum Technologies and Application. National mission is there on the quantum technologies and applications. Then there is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. A panel suggests creation of small limited liability partnership LLPs. A new category of LLPs, small LLPs, is recommended, which would lead to subject to lesser compliance होगा, fees and penalties. Earlier expert panel was formed to look at the decriminalization of the LLP Act 2008 as part of the government's efforts to make the legislative framework more conducive for entrepreneurs. इससे क्या होगा? Ease of living for the corporates and its stakeholders, small and micro enterprises के लिए फ़ायदा होगा. LLP क्या होता है? लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप जो होता है 2008 का एक्ट है. LLP as a separate legal entity is fully liable of its assets, but liability of the partners is limited to their agreed contribution in the LLP. It limits the liability of partner as far as civil cases are concerned. In such a partnership, partners can't be held liable for another's misconduct or negligence. ठीक है ना. Decriminalization of offences involving minor and technical violations of the LLP Act, improving the governance is there. LLPs should have more flexibility in their borrowing decisions is there. Then vaccine hesitancy हो रही है among the health workers and COVID bug मार COVID-19 vaccination drive. Vaccine hesitancy refers to the delay in acceptance or refusal of vaccines despite availability of vaccine services. ठीक है. It is a complex and context specific varying across time, place and vaccine. WHO declared vaccine hesitancy as one of the top 10 threats to global health in 2019 is there. क्या रीज़न हो सकते हैं? इंडिविजुअल एंड ग्रुप फैक्टर्स, कोई उनका पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस वैक्सीनेशन के साथ, हेल्थ सिस्टम के साथ या प्रोवाइडर्स के साथ, ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट हो सकता है, कोई कॉन्टेक्चुअल इशू हो सकता है जैसे कि कम्युनिकेशन, मीडिया, रीजनल, रिलीजन, कल्चर, जेंडर एंड सोशल, एनी वैक्सीन स्पेसिफिक इशू, रिस्क बेनिफिट, मोड ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इट इज़ प्राइमरली ड्यू टू मोटिव्स ऑफ द वैक्सीन कंपनीज टू प्रोड्यूस वैक्सीन मोर क्विकली देन नॉर्मल एंड मिसप्लेस्ड कंसर्न लाइक लैक ऑफ क्लिनिकल ट्रायल ऑफ द टू वैक्सीन बीइंग यूज्ड इन इंडिया. कहता कोविड-19 का वैक्सीन इंटेलिजेंस नेटवर्क इज़ देयर. कोविड-19 वैक्सीन इंटेलिजेंस नेटवर्क कोविन प्लेटफॉर्म कहा गया, डिजाइन टू असिस्ट द मास इम्यूनाइजेशन ड्राइव इन इंडिया. कोविन प्लेटफॉर्म बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर. कोविन हैंडल इज देयर. ठीक है. माइन्यूट डिटेल्स ऑफ इंडियाज कोविड-19 इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम इंक्लूडिंग रजिस्टरिंग बेनिफिशरीज, एलोकेटिंग वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर्स. आरबीआई ने लिस्ट रिलीज़ की ऑफ द डोमेस्टिक सिस्टेमिकली इंपॉर्टेंट बैंक्स डीसिब्स विच आर टू बिग टू फिल. उसमें एसबीआई को भी रखा है, आईसीआईसीआई को भी रखा है, एचडीएफसी को भी रखा है. ठीक है. डीसिब फ्रेमवर्क 2014 रिक्वायर्स आरबीआई टू डिस्क्लोज नेम्स ऑफ बैंक्स डेजिग्नेटेड एज डीसिब एवरी ईयर इज देयर. क्या था कि इसमें कौन आते हैं? सिस्टेमिकली ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, उनका साइज़ इतना बड़ा होता है, क्रॉस ज्यूरिसडिक्शनल एक्टिविटी होती है, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी होती है एंड इंटरकनेक्टेडनेस होती है ग्लोबल और डोमेस्टिक लेवल पे. बैंक्स हुज एसेट्स एक्सीड 2% ऑफ द जीडीपी आर कंसिडर्ड पार्ट ऑफ दिस ग्रुप. कितना? हुज एसेट्स एक्सीड द 2% ऑफ द जीडीपी से ऊपर हो गए तो वो डीसिब में आ जाएंगे. इन 2010 द फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी बोर्ड आफ्टर द ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस 2008 recommended that all member countries need to have in place a framework to reduce the risk attributable to the systemically important financial institution SIFIs in their jurisdiction. In response, the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision came out with a framework in 2011 for identifying the global systemically important banks. GSIBs is there, BCBS is there, that is the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision is there. Further required all members to have a regulatory framework to deal with the DSIBs. So एक थे GSIBs, that is global systemically important banks, and domestic systemically important banks आ गए. ठीक है. Ministry of Electronics and MIT asked WhatsApp to drop the new policies there. ठीक है. कहता कि MIT ने कहा कि proposed consolidation of sensitive information exposes The Qatar stated that proposed consolidation of sensitive information exposes Indian citizens to security. Earlier, WhatsApp ने notify users को किया था that it will collect metadata, data that provides information about other data from their chats with business accounts is there. ठीक है, metadata करेगी from their chats with business accounts and share them with other Facebook companies. Policy essentially takes away the choice users had until now to not share their data with other Facebook owned and third party apps. Objection raised by Mighty. Timing of such a move as Parliament is already examining the Personal Data Protection Bill. PDP bill seeks to provide for protection of personal data of individuals. Is there alleged differential treatment by WhatsApp to its users in India and EU? Mein it is WhatsApp is legally bound to not share data with Facebook in EU because it's a contravention is there of the provisions of the General Data Protection Regulation, a regulation in the European Union law on data protection and privacy. Expectations on value principles of privacy and consent as laid down in Supreme Court's KS Puttaswamy judgment is there, and companies all or nothing approach as it takes away any meaningful choice from the Indian users. अभी के लिए डेटा प्रोटेक्शन फ्रेमवर्क क्या है इंडिया में? राइट टू प्राइवेसी आपको पता है, पुट्टास्वामी जजमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज एंड द राइट टू प्राइवेसी एज अ फंडामेंटल राइट सब्जेक्ट टू रीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शन. आईटी एक्ट 2000 है, सेक्शन 43 ऑफ द आईटी एक्ट 2000 प्रोटेक्ट्स यूजर डेटा फ्रॉम मिसयूज बट it is applicable to only corporate entities and not on government agency. And then there are the IT reasonable security practices and procedures and sensitive personal data or information rules 2011. ठीक है, protected sensitive personal data or information of person. अब also news credit to GDP ratio. India's credit to GDP ratio कितनी है अभी? 56% when compared with advanced economies जो कि 150 से 200%. So credit to GDP ratio tends to rise during the period of economic boom and fall during the economic downturn. Credit to GDP gap, difference between the credit to GDP ratio and its long-term trend indicates a build-up of excessive credit growth in an economy and system-wide risk as a precursor to crisis. Basel III uses a gap between the credit to GDP ratio and its long-term trend is there as a guide for setting a counter-cyclical capital buffers is there. Counter-cyclical is there. Counter-cyclical capital buffers is there. Counter-cyclical capital buffers is there. ठीक है, it is aimed at strengthening banks' defenses against build-up of systemic vulnerabilities is there. रेडा की बात करेंगे. रेरा Real Estate Regulatory and Development Act is there. रेडा the act intends to bring transparency and safety in the market is there for consumers of residential and commercial projects by introducing a sectoral regulatory mechanism. 7th schedule is there, gives the states the right to legislate over inter alia land rights is there in or over land is there and colonization. RERA, however, has been enacted by the centre by power vested in the concurrent list dealing with contracts and transfer of property. Both central and state governments can legislate on concurrent list matters, and Article 254 provides that central laws will prevail over the state laws in the concurrent list. There. Vaccine diplomacy. India will officially begin its vaccine diplomacy by supplying made in India COVID-19 vaccine to its neighbouring and key partner countries. Bhutan or Maldives will be the first to get the vaccines, followed by Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar and Seychelles. Vaccine diplomacy is a branch of global health diplomacy that relies on the use or delivery of vaccines. Global health diplomacy refers to both a system of organization and to the communication and negotiation processes that shape the global policy environment in the sphere of health and its development. Parakram Divas, government has decided to celebrate Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday on 23rd January every year as Parakram Divas. Prominent leaders of the Indian freedom struggle, Indian National Congress का president रहे हैं. Haripura HNT is there. ठीक है, HT that is Haripura 1938 and Tripuri 1939 session. In 1939 is there. He organized the All India Forward Bloc, a faction within the INC aimed at consolidating the political left. And after 4 years in 1943 he organized the Azad Hind Fauj in Singapore. Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti. Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Guru of the Sikhs, born in Patna in 1666 to Mata Gujri is there, and Guru Tegh Bahadur, 9th Guru. When he was only 9 years old, his father was killed by Aurangzeb for refusing to accept Islam. Since then, he became a protector of Sikh. He knew Persian, Arabic, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and authored the Dasham Granth is there. In 1699, he instituted the 5 Ks, that is the Khalsa, Kesh, Kanga, Kada, Karpan, and Kacha. ठीक है. सो 5 केस तो खालसा पंथ को स्टैब्लिश किया था. और 5 केस क्या होते हैं? केश इज़ देयर यानी द हेयर, कंगा इज़ द कोम्ब इज़ देयर, द कड़ा दैट इज़ द वॉर्न इन द हैंड, करपान इज़ देयर दैट इज़ अ स्मॉल वेपन फॉर सेल्फ डिफेंस, एंड कछेड़ा इज़ देयर दैट इज़ द गारमेंट. इन 1708 he declared the Guru Granth Sahib as the final Sikh Guru. Somnath Temple, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has been appointed as chairman of the Somnath Temple Trust. It is located in the Prabhas Patan near Verawal in Saurashtra on the western coast of Gujarat. It is considered the first among the 12 Jyotirlings shrines of Shiva. Okay. The present temple was reconstructed in the Chalukyan style of Hindu temple architecture and completed in May 1951 by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The site is considered with Triveni Sangam is there, confluence of three rivers of Kapila, Hiran and Saraswati. Gurajada Appa Rao, Telugu poet, writer and social reformer, 1862 to 1915, wrote in support of gender equality against caste discrimination. His works include Kanya Suklam is there, Kanya Sulkam, Kanya Sulkam, Kanya Sulkam, Kanya Sulkam, and a lot of other works are also Desa Munu, Premi Chumana. Not all the names you don't need to remember, maybe remember just one. Kanya Sulkam is there. ठीक है, thank you very much.